Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nevin phone free. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now you can tap on whatever you want to in all those other ones. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nevin phone. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, which are contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. If you decided to transfer any app, hit OK in white pop-up and then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Nevin phone. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and to connect, hit red Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close our ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!